What up, sweets? We are back with another video. This is from Julia Hair. I got a beautiful reddish brown, beautiful yaki straight hair. This wig is beautiful. I can't wait to unlock it for you guys. So this is how much parting area we get. We get quite a bit. You got a lot of room up there to do what you want to do. We get 2 combs off to the side. We also get a comb in the back, and it does come with an adjustable band. And we can also detach it if we don't want to use it. Look at that hairline. The hairline is beautiful. The lace on here is really beautiful and blends in with my skin very well. Period, poo. But do you see the unit? Okay, she is very pretty. Now, I may look like a little clown here, but she is going to be beautiful once I do what I need to do with her. Look at that hairline. Just period, poo. Very, very pretty. Yes. And you can see the beautiful waves in it. And we can do this like versatile. So we could do left, right, middle, side. Whatever you want to do with this wig, you can do it. There was also a little lace in the back if you kind of like want to wear her up. Look at the density on that. Very pretty. Period, poo. She is so soft. Yes. We're gonna see what we gonna do with her and make it do what it do, boo-boo. So I went ahead and washed her. I don't know about you guys, but I like to wash my wigs because I don't know where it came from, who's wearing it, you know, all of that period poo. I'm still in COVID times, even though other people is not. So this is what she is looking like after I have washed her and conditioned her just with my regular shampoo and conditioner that I use in my regular hair. All right, so this is what she's looking like now.
She is super pretty, y'all. This is her after I have blow dried her. Look at the texture. It's so pretty. It's super soft. So I'm going to do a middle part for my first style. I'm going to get ready and go ahead and flat iron her and make her all pretty. I done added me some baby hairs. I done plucked her. I done tinted her. So let's finish her up. All right, so this is how she is looking after I have styled her. Got my little curls up there to put a little bump up there. I have flat ironed her out. She looks and feels so pretty. I got my little rollers down here. I just want like little bumps at the end, but the hair is still so pretty. It's so soft. Look at that. So pretty. All the way down to the tips. It's, ooh, I can't wait to put this on. It's so pretty. So this is what she's looking like. I'm gonna let her sit until the next day. Then we're gonna get ready for the install.
All right, love, so we are back. So we ready to do the install on this wig. This wig is so pretty. I can't wait to put her on. So this is going to be the first style. Ooh, already she's looking like a whole little snake. Yes, boo-boo. She is cute and she curls really, really good. As you can see, she can hold a curl, okay? Period, poo. Love it, love it, love it. This is very beautiful, and I'm loving this color on my skin, honey. Now, I am going to have to use some of my spray and kind of melt her down on my head. You can wear this wig glueless, but I guess depending on your head circumference and everything else, and we'll talk about that a little bit later, but you may or may not need to glue her down. So as you can see, I'm going to need to glue her down. I'm going to need to glue down them sides and make sure she's not lifting up and going anywhere. So that is what I'm going to do, boo-boo. Okay? And I'm just pressing it down. And yes, a sister broke a nail, so don't y'all be in the comments talking mess. So I'm just finishing up, and I'm just going ahead and making sure that I got them little baby hairs melted down. Yes, period, poo. She is really, really cute. I'm going ahead and putting a little bit of powder in there, and this is how the first style turned out. Really, really pretty, as you can see. And like I said, she does hold a curl, and she's still very soft. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous unit. You can do a lot with this unit. I am loving it so far. What do you guys think? Leave me some comments and let me know. We're about to get into the next style and see what she is working with. But this first style for this middle part and these beautiful curls, I am definitely here for it, boo-boo. Yes, period. Now we are back with our second style. This was a different day, and I went in and kind of did some like little ponytails at the top, kind of with like a diamond pattern. And the second time around, she's actually like, I don't know if it's more fire for the first one or the second. I don't know. I like the second one a little bit better than the first one, but both of them are fire. You guys will have to let me know excuse me, in the comments which one you prefer, the first style or the second style. But she holds them curls, honey, very, very well. Yes. So again, like I have to go in and spray down them sides just to make sure that she is not going anywhere and that she's gonna stay and look seamless to my head. So that's what you'll see me doing here. And then this is my finished look. Ooh, period, poo. She is cute. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Let's talk about it and see which style that you guys like more, and if you think this wig is fire enough for you to go and buy her. Yes, I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. It's cute. Yes, look how she's holding them curls. And I'm just trying to figure out how I want to wear the little bumps. But you'll figure out later on in the video how I actually styled her. Yes, it's so pretty. What up, sweet? Your girl is back. It's been a minute, but I want to come on today and first say welcome to all the new sweets who have joined the family. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for subscribing and following me. It truly means a lot to me. Thank you all for commenting. It really means a lot when I get those comments and I respond. I love seeing those. They really brighten up my day. But today we are going to talk about this beautiful unit on my head, okay? It's Goodbye Love Me, Hello Julia Hair, period, poo. We going to get in all to the tea, okay, about this beautiful wig and why I'm like, Goodbye Love Me, Hello Julia Hair. And let's get into it. Before we hop into anything, I just want to say if you just hopped in for this video, please think about subscribing, also liking and sharing this video so that it gets into the algorithm and it gets to more people and it gets shared. So go ahead and subscribe at the link below, period, poo. Give you a minute to do that. Don't forget to turn on them notification bells, okay? So you don't miss a video when a sister goes to upload. And on Facebook and those ads pop up and Julia Hair popped up and it was this wig and I was like, ooh, period. I was like, there was another chocolate sister that they had on there and I was like, ooh, period, poo. I said, we about the same skin tone color. I said, ooh, I said, that's looking fire on her. I said, that shit gonna look good on me too. I said, you know what? I'm gonna go and buy that. So I was like, I've never bought from Julia Hair before. So I bought this wig and I bought another wig, okay, from them. But we gonna focus on this one today. And I was like, ooh, I said, it's yucky, it's long, it looks like it can be versatile. I said, let's see, okay. I said, because these little videos and stuff, I hopped on YouTube, of course, and I was like, I said, yes, you're cute. I was like, yes, 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 period. So let's get into the specs of this week. So this is the Julia Hair, and the color is 33B. It's their reddish brown, and I have it in the 13x4 lace front wig. It comes in a 13x5 lace front T-part as well. Now this is straight kinky hair, and this come anywhere from 14 to 24 inches. I have it in the 20 inches, and it says that she's 100% human hair.
It says that she is a head circumference between 15 to 58 centimeters. I have an average size head and it is a little big on me. So if you are a sister or a brother with a larger size head, you have plenty of room in this wig. The density is 150 and the quality, it says 100% virgin hair, tangle free, no shedding. I can attest to that. All of that. A plus. And it says you can wear it glueless. Glueless depending on if it fits your head very tightly. For me, like right now I had to spray down here and spray here. So all of this is just laying flat. And then plus I have the combs in and I had that band pretty tight in the back and it was still kind of loose. So I had to spray them sides down to make it flat on my head. So it's up to you if you can have it glueless or not. But for me, I just had to spray down the sides, but everything else is good. As for shipping, it came pretty quick. The only thing I would say is shipped out in maybe like a day or 2 days at the most within the same week. So, which is great. I would say the only con is I wish I knew that I had to sign for it because at the time that the mailman got him to sign for it, I wasn't available. So I had to go to my post office and go pick it up, which I can understand why they want a signature because people can be like, yeah, well, I didn't get my package knowing that they got it. So I understand. I just wish I would have known somewhere in the email like, hey, you're gonna have to be home to sign for the package. But besides that, it's all good. But I mean, I don't have any like bad things to say about this wig. The wig is super fire. I mean, it is very versatile. Like right now, I just have my cute little pigtails in, but you could do right side, left side part, updo. I mean, whatever you want to do with this wig, it's like, it's good to go. I'm going to go and buy this wig again and I'm going to get it longer. That's how much I like this wig. And y'all know if y'all are one of my subscribers, if I like a wig before I go post these videos, I go and go buy that wig again if I think it is fire, okay? And this is one that I definitely think is really fire. I mean, it is so, so pretty, okay? Like everything about it. And you guys know what we do on this channel. She's either a slay or nay. Comment below. For me, you know, she is a slay, okay? I've already said the wig is fire, okay? Period, poo. Go get it, okay? Yes, period. Spend that $179. Right now to this day of filming, like I said, I spent $179 on my own coinage, okay? Get this wig, and I'm going to spend that again because I got some good coupons and some good sales going on. So, honey, like I said, the wig. Before I get out of here, I said I was going to spill the tea on why I'm not fucking with Love Me anymore. Okay, period, poo. I've done maybe 2 or 3 videos on them. It's just I'm not feeling Love Me like everybody else, okay? I'm just not. Okay, so they had this like this wig. I did do a video on it, so I'll link it up here and I'll probably link it in the description. So the wig is cute, okay? I'm not, you know, saying that the wig is not. The wig is cute, but what I don't like is if you go and look on the videos, okay, because it's like I always do my research before I buy a wig. So all the YouTube videos of this wig, it's like they was doing right side, left side, doing little cute little pigtails and stuff, okay? It was like they had a lot of circumference up there in order to do that, right? The wig that I got, not so much, okay? It didn't look like the sponsored videos wigs, okay? When I saw just like regular people like me and me buying their wig look like mine. So I was like, let me just email them. So I emailed them. I sent screenshots. I sent screenshots of one YouTuber and it was like she had all this circumference to do this cute little style. And then me with my little section over here that I had that I was struggling to do like a right side, left side, middle part. I was like, honey, I'm running into tracks. I'm like, this is really not the same wig. I'm like, and you know, I'm asking them questions. I'm sending pictures. And, you know, just to get to a long story short, that was like, oh, yeah, you know, we do certain things different. Da, da, da. I'm like, on hers, the wig band is detachable. I'm like, mine is sewn in. I can't do nothing. Mine's is not adjustable. Hers is adjustable. I'm like, why is the wigs different? I'm like, and I've seen multiple videos and it links to the same wig that I bought, but the wigs are different.
I feel like I don't care if the video is sponsored or not. If you're going to have somebody a wig, it should be the same wig. Like the wig that I got on my head that I'm telling y'all now that's fire to go get, you should get the same wig that I get. Yours should look like mine. You should come look at my video and be like, okay, yeah, that all matches, period, poo, right? And it's like that just wasn't happening, and they didn't have not a good clarification about why the wigs are so different. It's like, yeah, no. And so to that, it's like, that's misleading to me. It's like, it does not matter who gets the wig or if the wig is sponsored or not. All the wigs should look the same. And I'm sorry, they don't. Go do your own research, period, poo. You can go look at my video and then go Google some of the other videos on there and be like, yeah, that looks really different. And it's just like, I'm not fucking with people who's doing that, like, period. So I'm trying to find other people to where I can get good quality wigs. And if I'm coming on here telling you guys to go get something, I expect you guys to get the same wig. I mean, am I right? Am I wrong? Leave me some comments, because it's like, that's just how I'm feeling. I'm like, it should be the same across the board, period. But I digress. Anywho, okay, we gonna end on a beautiful note. Like I said, Julia Hair, go get this. I will do a review on my other wig that I got, because I want to see if it's gonna be giving the same energy as this one, period. And like I said, if you guys have not subscribed, please think about subscribing. Also, give me a like if you enjoyed this video. Comment if you enjoyed this video. You can find me on TikTok. I am on Instagram, but I'm mostly on TikTok. I don't know. The energy on TikTok is just kind of flowing for me. So if you want to know what I'm doing, what I'm posting, what's next, find me on TikTok and we can be friends, period, poo. And until my sweets, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.